Okay, Dr. Mossy here. We're going to go through the information that you need for your sodium bicarbonate solution for your science fair project. Okay, sodium bicarbonate is also called baking soda. You probably have heard of it. It's NaHCO3, and you saw the structure on the piece of paper. You're going to want to do some background research related to the physical structure and information related to what sodium bicarbonate is, like its melting point, what its physical properties are, white powder, so on and so forth, what it's used for, cleaning and cooking and medicine. There's a lot of information on sodium bicarbonate and its uses in everyday life. You should definitely find some and start thinking about how that's going to influence your corn plants. Is it going to help them grow? Is it going to hurt them? Or is it going to have no impact whatsoever? Okay, that's what you're going to be researching for to make your hypothesis. When we make the solution for sodium bicarbonate today, we're going to make it 60 grams per 1,000 milliliters, and that's going to have a resulting pH of about 8. Okay, I'm going to show you how we went about making that 60 gram per 1,000 milliliter solution. So to make that, we use the OHAUS CS200 digital scale. To use that, you start off by just turning it on. You'll see zeros. Now, we used a weighing boat, and you'll see that when you put the weighing boat on there, it goes up to 6 grams. So you have to zero that out or get what's called a tare weight. So you click the button and it goes down to 0. Now you just start taking your sodium bicarbonate, which is this stuff, and you just start dumping it into the boat until you get 60 grams. The magic of video, I already did that for you. A little bit too much, 60 grams, there you go. Okay, so 60 grams of sodium bicarbonate baking soda. Now to make the solution, you just take your 60 grams of sodium bicarbonate and you're going to dump it into 1,000 milliliters of water. So we're gonna get a 60 gram per 1,000 milliliters of water. Now this takes a little while to dissolve, so I just did this a few moments ago so you can see some of it's not dissolved yet, but with continuing shaking, it will all dissolve and you'll have this solution in the greenhouse when you add this to your corn plants. Okay, good luck, I hope you have fun.